Okay, another quick video on how to. So I'm replacing my carburetor for my Generac pressure washer, and it was leaking. So instead of replacing the gasket, which is what I should have done, I just tried to tighten these bolts right here and tighten this one too much, and it snapped off. You can see right there, definitely not the same length. So I want to do a quick video on what to do because I didn't see anything about this. So it's the carburetor mounting bolt to it. So all you do is you get this bad boy and you thread it the opposite way. So in this case it would be down with the, you see, and then you see right there, it's coming out. So you just do that until it comes out, and then hopefully I can get the same, there we go. I was racking my head looking on YouTube trying to figure out how to do it, and I could not find anything. And then I was just like, oh, I could probably just use my, what's it called, and screw it out, and it's screwing out, so it's working. And now I just need to hope that I can find the same length. There we go. Doesn't matter which part you do because I'm gonna have to replace this whole entire thing anyway. And then get some new gaskets for the carburetor, and then hopefully this thing works again. But quick video on how to remove these. I'm hoping that I'm doing it, so. At first I thought you had to open up this right here, take off these 4 bolts, and then I thought that you would be able to get in there and remove it. That's not the case. So, I might take the other one off just so I can go and get the proper length. Actually, I have the other piece. I'll just take, there we go, boom. So there it is right there. So again, carburetor mounting bolt in order to take it off because I snapped that bad boy off trying to stop a leak. It's not how you do it, just replace the gasket. But if you're this far looking on how to replace it, you probably already did it. So yeah, then you just get the new one, screw it back in there like so, and hopefully you replaced your carburetor mounting bolt. All right, thanks, bye.